Hi, we're at SLA Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking 8.5 by 20 hybrid enclosed trailer. At the front we have our jack coupler and safety chains. There is 24-inch stone guard along the bottom and tip of the V-nose. This trailer does come equipped with a 48-inch side ramp that leads to the enclosed portion. The enclosed portion of this trailer does measure in 8 feet. There are 3/4 plywood walls and 3/8 plywood flooring. There are 2 vents in your enclosed portion, as well as a 12-volt dome light. The light switch is by your door. Coming to the outside of our hybrid trailer, there is a 12-foot open deck with 1-foot mesh siding. This trailer does come equipped with 2 7-pound axles on 16-inch wheels and tires. There are teardrop aluminum fenders. This trailer does come with a gate at the very back of your passenger side. The utility portion of this trailer does have 4 tie-down points, as well as pressure-treated wood flooring. There is LED brake lights. There is a white screwed exterior. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 20 hybrid enclosed trailer. If you were interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.